Hello everyone, welcome to Lead to AI channel. Llama 3.1 released yesterday and now officially support tool calling, which is really cool and exciting, especially for local work automation. We explore a few ways to use it today. In this video, we will use Llama CCP to load 4-bit quantized abelian instruct models from HuggingFace, which is ideal for our local development environment. What I want to test is to see if the example formatter works first. Here is the copy from the prompt to Python notebook. We want to test if the LLM select the right tool and pass the right parameter with this run. See, looks good. So select the early tools we have, passing the right location to Sydney, and also select the right unit for Sydney, which is Celsius. However, it seems to be hallucinated over here. Let's try again. Get better now. There's no hallucinations, and hallucination might not be a problem with the prompt format that we have, Python tag, so we can use it to extract the tools. Now pretend that we run the tools and pass the result back to the LLM for further processing. Right, so awesome, all looks great to me. 26 degrees Celsius high, 13 degrees Celsius low. Weather in Sydney, right to location, still retaining from the user prompt. And currently sunny is dubious. But yeah, looks correct to me. This is really cool with the example, but what I want to do next is to check whether Llama is able to do multiple function calls at once to make the automation faster. So I changed the function name to get current weather and add another one called get current traffic to return the traffic condition at the location. Then with the user prompt, we ask it to return both weather and traffic. Let's run it. Super cool. The format is not quite correct, but it's able to select get current weather function, passing the location and the unit, which is correct. Also select get current traffic function and passing the location of Sydney, which is awesome. Similar to what we have done before, we pretend that we already run those functions and return the result for LLM to do the summarize. Now check where it's right over here. The weather in Sydney, right location, is right as cloudy. Yes, we do. The temperature, high temperature is 26 and low temperature is 16 degrees Celsius, which is also correct. Current traffic is congested in middle western part of the city, which we do have traffic jam in the middle western part. That's awesome. One thing is, what we want to do now is to check if Llama is able to code tools in sequence and don't repeat the same tool calling again if we have it in the context. So similar to the first example, we ask it about the weather, and it does the summary on the weather. Then we add another user prompt to ask about the current traffic. What we want to see from the LLM is select get current traffic, which is correct, and also pass the right location. However, it seems to be hallucinated by also return the traffic condition in the response. We might try to run it again to see if it's still hallucinating. Yes, the tool calling is still correct, but then it does hallucinate with more answer to the prompt. I haven't tested with 8 billion models or 70 billion models, so that may fix the problem. Let's move to the next example. The more common scenario is to use function calling to extract JSON from user prompt or from the context. In this scenario, we have a function called extract JSON. The argument is more complex, where we have a JSON object that have ID key and meta key. The metadata is another JSON object. We have name, age, and sibling as the key. We want to trick Llama by asking a trap question. How many siblings does John have? Given the relative Natalie and little John. See if it extracts the right information for us. That looks awesome, so Llama is able to select the tools that we have. Also passing the meta JSON object, which have the username is John and his siblings are Natalie and little John. That is pretty awesome. Hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.